What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Just checking my perm. Gave myself a haircut. I'm here with the homie Alto.
Hello.
And today's video episode, we're doing a review. A review on this care package that Garage 16 gave me. Sonax cleaning supplies. Because it is a pandemic. A lot of stores are closed. So Canadian Tire, where I normally get all my cleaning supplies, is closed. So Rick was nice enough to give us a care package of the Sonax cleaning supplies. So I've never used it. Looking forward to using it. See if it makes the car really shiny. And so far it looks like a really nice kit. And it's gonna be nice. So we're gonna wash the Mugen EL. Let it adjust. There we go. And as I'm washing, this guy right here is gonna be taking control of the camera. Yeah, do the wave, do the wave. And he is not driving his 9 Gen today. Today, Alto is driving. Hold on. Look at that bad boy. Look at that Mark III, you know? Mark III Supra. Man, we went for a ride in this thing. It's all original, like immaculate condition, and that thing is fast. So we're gonna watch this. Also, is gonna be recording and time lapse a lot of this video, but let's see the end result we get in, and then we're gonna go for a nice cruise. He's probably gonna pick up his 9 Gen later on, and then we're gonna go hit some roads because that's what we do. And I got the Escape back, and it's mint now. So let's do it. Kick some ass.
Look at that sexy beast. Yeah, you wash that car, you sexy beast.
I'll be using some Sonax car shampoo.
Why is it so dark?
See this little
you're good.
thing right there?
You're good.
It adjusts the lighting.
The what circle?
Where the button is where you take a picture?
Oh.
I think that's a little too much. Let's make some bubblies.
Yeah, that's fun. Make some bubbles.
Make some bubbles. Alright guys, so I'm gonna hit it with this tire gloss gel. I've never used this kind of product before, so I gotta put it on that little sponge a little bit and then like rub it around the tire. But I'm really happy so far with the results of these cleaning products. Like the shine on this old silver paint, like this car is, it's got its beat up moments onto it, or spots, sorry, but this car looks immaculate right now, like a mirror finish. So we're gonna go ahead and do this and see the end result. Alright guys, I'm completely done washing the car. Kids are running amok. But look at this finish. Like, this hood is beat up. And Alta can attest to this. Like, this hood is beat up. But look at that mirror finish off of it. I have never been so impressed with a product for cleaning like I have with this. Like, everyone says chemical guys, chemical guys. Yeah, sure. They look like they do some good products. And I've always believed in Meguiar's and whatnot because it was affordable. Cheap life. But after doing this Sonax kit, I think I'm just going to continue buying these Sonax kits because this is amazing. Like, even the shine on the headlights. What do you think, Alto?
I like the product. Very good.
Very beautiful.
Smell good.
So that's going to do it for this video. I wanted to review this product. Thank you Rick and Conrad at Garage 16 and Josh, the newest member there, for the care package of the Sonax products. I didn't use a wheel cleaner because it's not for power coated rims, so I could use them on the Escapes wheel, so that's a bonus. But I am beyond ecstatic and beyond content with these products. So phenomenal guys, phenomenal. I highly recommend getting it, and yeah, I'm just gonna keep buying them. So guys, that's gonna do it for this week's video. Guys, please like the videos. They help a lot with the algorithm and everything, and get the page and the channel shown more. So let's keep those likes coming. Subscribe if you're new. Right now, with everything going on, all the fun stuff like car shows and everything have been canceled. So as the weather warms up, we're just gonna start rebelling and just start sending in and going for cruises and stuff, because yeah, we can't take much more of this. And guys, also stickers. I got a few of the collab ones left. I got the Just Sended ones, and a few of the Civic and the Mugen EL left. If you guys want, just DM me on my Instagram. The link will be in the description, and they're $5 shipped. Yeah, that's about it. We're cutting it short. Done. Alto.
Peace out.
Guys, to the next one. Just send it. Peace.